how to see posts you have liked on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can see posts you have liked on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to see the post that you have liked in on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you want to just come to the profile tab by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Now tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen and then just go to the section where it says your activity. And once you go to your activity, what you want to do is just go to this option called likes, as you can find it here. Once you go to likes, you'll be able to see all the reels, the photos, the videos, everything that you've liked on Instagram so far. Along with the dates, you can filter them by authors and you can also filter them by newest to oldest as well. So this way you can go ahead and then basically actually find out all the photos you've liked on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.